Have you ever woken up, rubbed your eyes, and thought, why does everything look blurry? The numbers on the clock aren't sharp. The light feels harsh. And for a few minutes, it's like your vision hasn't fully woken up yet. This happens to far more people over 60 than you might think. And no, it's not always just a normal part of aging. Here's the good news. You can often fix this without pills, without eye drops, and without complicated routines. Tonight, I'll show you 3 simple foods, eaten before bed, that help your eyes hydrate, repair, and wake up clearer, naturally. On this channel, I respect your time. That's why every video is clear, evidence-based, and designed to deliver real health information in just 5 minutes. Food 1. Prunes. Most people think of prunes only for digestion, but for your eyes, especially after 60, they do much more. Your eyes depend on tiny blood vessels, capillaries, to deliver oxygen and nutrients to the retina. With age, these vessels stiffen and narrow, so even if you eat healthy foods, the nutrients may never reach your eyes. Prunes help solve that problem. They're rich in vitamin K1, which supports capillary flexibility and healthy blood flow. They also contain potassium, which helps regulate eye pressure overnight, reducing that puffy, foggy morning feeling. Plus, prunes contain lutein and zeaxanthin antioxidants that protect the most sensitive parts of your retina. How to use them. Eat 1 to 2 unsweetened prunes about 45 to 60 minutes before bed. Food 2. Pistachios. Your eyes don't rest at night. Even while you sleep, the retina is repairing itself, and that process creates oxidative stress. That's where pistachios come in. They're rich in vitamin E, which protects the membranes of your eye cells from overnight damage. They also contain lutein and zeaxanthin, helping reduce glare and improve night vision. And here's something most people don't know. Pistachios are one of the richest natural sources of melatonin, the hormone that helps you fall into deeper, more restorative sleep. Better sleep means better eye repair. How to use them. Eat 5 to 7 unsalted pistachios about 30 to 60 minutes before bed. Food 3. Chia seeds. Protection is important, but your eyes also need rebuilding. Chia seeds are packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which help restore the outer membranes of retinal cells. As these membranes thin with age, you may notice dry eyes, light sensitivity, or slower focusing in the morning. Chia seeds also help your body stay hydrated overnight. When soaked, they form a gentle gel that supports tear production and reduces morning dryness. They even contain tryptophan, which helps your body produce melatonin naturally. How to use them. Mix 1 tablespoon of chia seeds into water or almond milk. Let them soak for 20 to 30 minutes, then eat. The nighttime ritual together. These 3 foods work better than alone. Prunes open the pathways. Pistachios protect your retina. Chia seeds rebuild and hydrate. Eat them calmly, without screens, about 45 to 60 minutes before bed. This isn't just a snack. It's a signal to your body that it's time to repair. Aging doesn't mean losing control. With the right support, your body still knows how to heal. If this video helped you, please give it a like. Let me know in the comments how your eyes have been feeling lately. And if you'd like more simple natural health strategies, consider subscribing. Until next time, here's to calm nights and clear mornings.